Welcome to Math Challenge Problems. In this presentation, we'll have precalculus, and we're going to write the equation of the parabola given 3 points on the parabola. Here is our problem. Write the equation of the parabola with horizontal axis and passes through the points 1, 1, 1, negative 3, and negative 2, 0. For our solution, we're going to use the general form of the equation of the parabola. For the parabola, we have x squared plus dx plus ey plus f equals 0 when the axis is vertical, and y squared plus dx plus ey plus f equals 0 when the axis is horizontal. Since in our problem, we have a parabola with horizontal axis, then we're going to use the second form of the equation of the parabola. What we're going to do is to substitute the given 3 points to the general form of the equation, thereby making 3 equations in variables d, e, and f. From there, we're going to use the elimination method in solving system of linear equations in 3 variables. Let us start at point 1, 1. So x equals 1 and y is equal to 1. So we have 1 squared plus d times 1, that will be d, plus e times 1, that will be e, plus f equals 0. So we have d plus e plus f equals negative 1. Let this be our equation 1. Next, let us use the point 1, negative 3. So we have negative 3 squared, that's 9, plus d times 1, plus e times negative 3, so we have minus 3e, plus f equals 0. Then we have d minus 3e plus f equals negative 9. Let this be our equation 2. Then let us use the point negative 2, 0. X equals negative 2 and y is equal to 0. So we have 0 squared, that is 0, plus d times negative 2, so we have minus 2d, plus e times 0, so that will be 0, plus f equals 0. Let this be our equation 3. Now we have 3 equations in 3 variables d, e, and f. We're going to use the elimination method to solve for the values of these variables. Let us start by subtracting equation 1 minus equation 2. So that will be d minus d, that is 0, e minus negative 3e, that is 4e, f minus f, that is 0, and then negative 1 minus negative 9, that is positive 8. So we have 4e is equal to 8. It so happened that we can already solve for the value of e from this resulting equation. Then dividing both sides of this resulting equation by 4, we have e is equal to 2. This time, let us use equation 2 and equation 3 to eliminate f. So we have equation 2 minus equation 3. D minus negative 2d, that is equal to 3d. Then we have negative 3e. So we have minus 3e. Next, f minus f is 0. Negative 9 minus 0 is negative 9. Let us divide all terms of this resulting equation by 3. We have d minus e equals negative 3. Let us call this our equation 4. since we already have the value for e, that is 2, we can substitute e equals 2 to equation 4 and get the value of d. So we have d minus 2 equals negative 3. Adding 2 to both sides, we have d is equal to negative 1. We have e equals 2 and d equals negative 1. We can substitute this to equation 1 and get the value of f. Then we have negative 1 plus 2 plus f is equal to negative 1. Negative 1 plus 2 is 1. Then subtracting 1 from both sides of the equation, we have f is equal to negative 2. Now that we have the values for e, d, and f, we can substitute these values to the general form of the equation of the parabola to get the required equation. So we have y squared, d is equal to negative 1, so we have minus x, e is equal to 2, then we have plus 2y, f equals negative 2, so we have minus 2 equals 0. Then the required equation is y squared minus x plus 2y minus 2 equals 0. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more math challenge problems.